you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 subscribers and we are so close, so if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. If you guys aren't aware, I do currently have a giveaway on my channel. Just search for 10k giveaway, make sure you enter, and as soon as we hit 10,000 I will be announcing the winner. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to do so. In today's video we are going to be going through my March favourites. Can we believe that March has come and gone? Because I can't, and I'm so glad because the warmer weather is right on upon us. I feel like it's right there, so summer and spring is coming and I'm so excited. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into my favourites. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So in terms of Netflix faves, I don't really have any new series to share with you because I'm still really enjoying Euphoria, and me and Ryan are rewatching Pretty Little Liars, so there's nothing new really to share with you on that front. However, I have recently binge watched The Kissing Booth 1, 2 and 3, mainly because that guy, what's his name? Jacob something is in it because he's in Euphoria, and I wanted to watch The Kissing Booth again, so I watched The Kissing Booth again. I love The Kissing Booth. I think it's such a good like trio of movies. I really like it, so I have been loving those this past month. But other than that, there's no real Netflix faves, so I do apologise. But if you guys are watching anything on Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, Now TV, all that kind of vibe, let me know down below if there's anything new that you think I should be watching, because I am running out of things to watch. So yeah, if you want to let me know what you're watching, leave it in the comments. I would love to know. So now moving on to physical favourites. I'm just going to be doing this in no particular order. So the first thing I've been loving, and this is really random and bizarre, however, I was advised to get one of these from my hairdresser. So I have got one of the silk like bonnets, I suppose. It doesn't really look, you can't really see it very well, but it's a silk bonnet that you put on your hair while you're asleep, and it just helps to avoid any kind of further damage while you're asleep. And my hair, if you guys didn't know, is naturally curly. I have curled it today. It's all completely fallen out because it is currently 7 PM, so I do apologise about the mess of my hair, but my hair is naturally quite curly, and I thought, you know what, this is going to be great. So I've been using this and I absolutely love it. I do have a silk pillowcase as well, but sometimes I like to sleep on my other pillowcase because it's like a bit squishier, so I just like to have this on and to protect my hair at all times, and it's definitely making a difference. So if you haven't tried one of these to protect your hair at night, I would really recommend it. I got this from TK Maxx. I think it was about £8, absolute bargain. Love it. And it's pink, so looks cute. The next item is a clothing item, and that is this denim jacket. Now, I got this denim jacket from Primark. This is actually a size 16 because it's supposed to be quite a fitted cropped jacket, and I needed a denim jacket. Because me, Ryan, his dad, his brother, and one of his friends went to a bike show like a month or two ago. I can't remember when it was now, like a month and a half ago, and I really wanted to get them to print their logo on the back of a jacket, so we did that. I don't know if you guys can see it. There it is. And I'm obsessed, so I wear this all the time. And I love denim jackets because on the inside they have this seam which I use as a pocket, so it means I don't have to take a handbag out with me, and I'm just obsessed with it. And I think the quality of this is actually really good for Primark, so yeah, big up Primark. They've been really just pushing the boat out, and I literally just cuff mine at the sleeves and I'm obsessed with it. And it was only £15 or something, so inexpensive, and yeah, I'm just obsessed. So thanks Ryan for printing that, love it. Fragrance favourite of the month is somewhat similar to last month. So last month I did mention a Molten Brown perfume, however I did actually buy two, so this month I have been using the other one. This is in Suede Orris. Now I do have to admit the sort of more masculine smell of this is a little bit nicer, but this one's really good too. It just smells clean, fresh. Like all perfumes that I tend to wear are either really clean and fresh like Marc Jacobs vibes, or they're really deep and kind of evening-y, and this one is definitely more of a fresh one. And I think I got this for around, I don't even know, £15 or something, and this is a 100ml bottle of eau de toilette and it smells heavenly. So yeah, I love that, and I got that from an outlet village and I could never pay full price again. So yeah, definite favourite of mine for the past month for sure. My skincare favourite of the month has actually been a facial moisturiser, and this is the Be Ready Day Cream. I got this from Superdrug, and I actually forgot I had this, but I am really, I've said this about my Lush collection as well, but I'm really trying to kind of downsize my cosmetics and stuff like that. Like, I had a lot of hair care, I still have a lot. But I'd get in the habit of just buying new shampoo and conditioner like every time I would go to town, and it's just unnecessary. Like face masks I have tons of, creams I've got loads of, so I am trying to get through my range and like my collection and stuff, and I feel like I just wanted to find something new. Basically, the long-winded explanation of this is I have too much stuff, I'm going through my stuff and trying to use it all up. So this is what I digged out for the past month, and I absolutely am obsessed with it. It's a very thick face cream. I've used about half of it. It's a very thick texture, so it's probably not the best if you've got sort of more oilier skin, because I have been using this as a night cream as well. But the good thing with this is it doesn't leave that kind of horrible oily residue on the skin. It does kind of sink in, and it almost has like a matte feeling, which is really, really lovely. And I love using this in the day and at night. I tend to use it for both, and I put makeup on top of this. It sits really nicely. I can't say anything bad about this. I don't know whether they still do this actually, so let me know down below whether you know that or not. But yeah, I've been really, really enjoying this. If you haven't tried it or you need a new face cream, this is the one for you. Next up, moving on to a cosmetic-y favourite, and this isn't really necessarily a makeup item, but it is a lip product, and this is the Kiko Milano Blossoming Beauty Flower Escape Lip Oil. Firstly, I mainly bought it because it's absolutely stunning and it's got flower petals inside, and there was only 2 left, so me and mum both bought one. I'm obsessed with this, so I actually have this on my lips now, and it's such a nice, like, thin, like lip oil. It's not thick, it's not sticky, it's absolutely beautiful, and I love wearing lip oils as lip glosses because it doesn't have that sticky kind of texture. I think this was about £15 or so, I can't quite remember. It was a little bit more expensive than what I would normally pay, but I couldn't not because it's beautiful. So yeah, I've been really enjoying this. I've been wearing it in the day, at night, and I love it, so definitely recommend that one. The next item is a hair care product, and this is the Mielle or Mielle, I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. It's M-I-E-L-L-E. This is the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil, and I love stuff like this. I am all for hair growth tips. Leave them down below. I obviously know the basics, like don't wash it every day, don't sleep with it in a high ponytail, don't use elastics, like get it trimmed. I have all of that down, but my hair just doesn't grow. Is it my diet? Is it the products? Like, let me know down below your tips and tricks, but I really love this. I use this kind of maybe once a week or so. Basically, the night before I wash my hair, I will sleep with this on. I mean, morning now, you will wake up with your hair looking the most greasy mess ever, but if you're going to wash it in the morning anyway, it makes no difference. But yeah, I absolutely love this. It's been making such a difference in my hair, like just in my scalp, I suppose. Like, it's just so, so good. And I tend to not put this all over just because I feel like I would use the entire bottle. I mean, I've used half of it already, but I'm really, really enjoying this. So yeah, I love that. And they do other products as well, so I might have to delve into those when I've used up all my other stuff. So yeah, love it. Next up, moving on to my crystal favourite, and that is my Clear Quartz Point. Now, firstly, I love this because it's chunky and short. I just think it looks beautiful on my side. It just fits with my kind of collection, and I absolutely love it. But I've just been really, really gravitating towards this. What is going on with my hair? Apologies, I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards. But I've just been really gravitating towards this. I like the fact that you can lie it down and you can have it facing kind of any direction you choose. You can put it upright, which is what I tend to do, and I just really love Clear Quartz. I really, really like it. I think it's so underrated, and it has some beautiful rainbows inside. So this has definitely been one of my go-to crystals this month, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, absolutely love this, and I would definitely recommend some Clear Quartz if you don't have any in your collection. Now is your sign to go and get some, because it's amazing. Next up, moving on to my jewellery favourites. About a month or so ago, I went on a bit of a wild ring shopping spree with my mum, and I realised that a jewellery shop that I absolutely love and hadn't been in for years do some really wonderful crystal rings, and it became an obsession. It's a problem, and I feel like I need to be stopped, but these two have been my favourites. So the first one is this absolutely stunning blue opal ring. Now, I actually bought this one myself. I bought both of these myself, but this one is really stunning. It's such a nice blue colour, and I actually bought my mum the same but in the white opal, because I just fancied, you know, treating her, and she was having her hair done and I thought I would, you know, go and surprise her with a nice little gift. But these are about £22. It's just so beautiful. It obviously has some little diamonds on the edges, and not real diamonds obviously, but I love it. It's just so pretty. And the same day we went back because my mum was not jealous that I went in there without her, but she was interested to go and see what else they had, and I saw this ring and instantly I fell in love with it. I don't know what crystal this one is, so if you guys can work it out, please tell me. I don't know whether it's sodalite or something, but I can't work out what it is, so yeah, if you can let me know, that would be great. But I just love these together. I think they look absolutely stunning, and I just fell in love, so I had to buy them both. And this one I think was, I want to say this one was about 20 something or 40, I can't remember, but yeah, definitely more than I probably should have spent that day, but I'm obsessed with them both, and they've both been my go-to rings for the past month, so I love those. And last but by no means least, moving on to my Lush Favorites. Now granted, I actually don't have that many Lush Favorites this month. I think because I'm trying to get through my collection, I'm using products up a little bit too quickly at the moment, but the two things I have been loving, the first one is the Mimosa Shower Gel. Now I've only actually used this about twice and I am obsessed with this shower gel. Now I didn't think I was going to be that obsessed with it, hence why I bought a small bottle, because it just kind of smells like, orange, but it's such a fresh shower gel. I am gutted I didn't buy a bigger bottle of this because I've been using this so sparingly, like the tiniest bit on my loofah, and I've been like exfoliating it loads to try and bubble it up because I don't want to get through this too quick. But it smells really fresh, kind of like Brightside and Celebrate kind of mixed together. So stunning, so beautiful. Highly recommend it if you can still get your hands on this, and it's just delish. I'm loving it. And the last item is a fragrance, and this again is from Lush, and this is very similar to the last product, and that is the Celebrate perfume. Now I've had this for absolutely ages. I don't even know when it was made. It literally doesn't say, but honestly, it just smells. I just sprayed that into my eyes. That really hurt. Anyway, moving on, just blinded myself. This smells like Golden Wonder, Celebrate, all that kind of stuff. It's a very fizzy, orange, sharp citrus smell. It's so beautiful, so fresh. I'm just a big fan of this. I have been using it so sparingly over the past few years because it is so delicious and amazing, and I just absolutely have fallen in love with it again. It's so wonderful. Honestly, I wish they had this all year round because I would be grabbing this all the time. It's such a beautiful smell, and if you can ever get your hands on this, I highly recommend it because it is honestly so good. So I love that. So that is everything for my March favourites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you do. It would absolutely make my day, and as soon as we hit 10k, I will be announcing my giveaway winner. So if you haven't entered my giveaway, now is your time to do so. But I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.